can't intellectualize
If
biology away.
society collapses, males become males, females become females. I agree with that. Even if you're transgender, society collapses, you can no longer take those pills. Your body's going to revert back to whatever it was.
Even if you could, like, deeper questions into that of where you
Right.
even fit in, because I don't even think the conversation is so much about how you feel. Great, now you've gone into a world where your dating pool, everything you would want to go for to hit that goal has now shifted. You've changed the structure of that for a subcategory that has to be accepted, because again, same thing, zombie apocalypse. What front line of males being males are going to have? You can have your pills and all the testosterone pumping and jumping, show up to the front line,
Right.
like, go carry the arrows or the like, bring something to the back of us, but I don't want you shoulder to shoulder with me. I know exactly where we're going to be attacked. I know exactly where it's going to fall. You ain't got the lungs, you ain't got the bone density, you ain't got the strength, your heart's not pumping. Like, again, back to biology, it just doesn't equal, not the fucking same at all.